In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin spaces in ClickUp. If you want quicker access to the areas you use most often, pinning a space is a simple way to keep it visible right at the top of your workspace. This can help you stay organized and save time, especially if you work across multiple spaces every day. Let's walk through exactly how to do it. First, go to the left sidebar in ClickUp and find the space you want to pin. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage several spaces with similar names. The left sidebar is where all your main workspace sections are listed, so this is where the process begins. Once you've found a space, move your mouse over it and click the three-dot menu. This opens the space options where you'll find several actions related to that specific space. Hovering first is important, because in many cases the menu only appears when your cursor is over the space. After the menu opens, look for the favorite option and hover over it. This will reveal another small menu with placement choices. ClickUp uses this favorite setting to control where a space appears in your workspace. So this is the key step that lets you pin it. From there, select Top. As soon as you do that, the space will be pinned and moved to the top of your ClickUp workspace. This makes it easier to reach without scrolling through the rest of your sidebar. If you regularly switch between important projects or teams, this can make navigation much more efficient. Now that the space is pinned, you'll be able to see it at the top of the workspace area. This confirms that the action worked. If you pin more than one space, they'll all appear together in that top section for easy access. If you'd like to change the order of your pinned spaces, simply drag and drop them into the arrangement you want. This is useful if you want your most frequently used space to appear first, followed by your secondary ones. A clean order can make your workspace feel much more intuitive. And if you ever want to remove a space from the pinned section, just hover over the pinned space and click the unpin icon. That will remove it from the top area and return it to its normal place in the sidebar. That's all it takes to pin, organize, and unpin spaces in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.